What's up guys? Boy Mas po pala. Muli po akong aawit ng isang old song naman. Ano po ako? Hindi lang po ako pang new song, maging sa old song po ako. Sana po maibigan nyo yung aking kakantahin. Ito po ay pinasikat na awitin ni Marco Sison, Always. At please, pakisuportahan nyo po ako sa aking TikTok, Facebook, at YouTube channel po. Pa-like, share, and subscribe po. Para po sa inyo, sana po maibigan nyo. Woman, I will love you always, and I promise I'll give you the best, my love. You mean more than life to me. I love you more than words can say. You be the only one that I love for always, forever to cherish. I want you close to me and hold you until you get in my arms always. Yes, you are my sunshine. You are the reason I've writ for. There's nothing I want more. I need you. I need to have you in my life. Want you always by my side, now and for always. Whisper these words to me, that we would always be together, just you and me forever. I want to spend with you, baby, my whole life through. Every moment loving you, always. want to give you all my love, my heart, my soul, my life. Everything that I am, always. Thank you po. Sana po maibigay, no?